In this tutorial, I'm gonna be making a dialer with Sketchware. So click on create new project, enter application name. I'm gonna save it as dialer, create app, and when it loads up, I'm gonna click this, and it's gonna be a basic one, so it's just gonna be very short. It's gonna be edit text, and just gonna add a button, and the button name should be call. So the edit text should be hint, change this to no, recognize your number, and input type number. So in fact, input type will be number sign stroke number decimal. That's all. Click on your call, come to invert, click on click. So when it's click, it should component, add component. It's going to be an intent. It's intent that's going to do the coding for us. Call. So what we can do is when it's click, it should intent set action call call. So I just put this over here not to disturb us. And what we can do is set data. So we're just gonna be call, and what we're gonna do is come to view text view, get text. I'm gonna come to operator, join this and this, carry this here. Text view should be our ID text. Join, gonna add tail equals to make a call. Put it over here. So basically, I think this all the code. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna start. So it's just bring this over here onto the top. And I'm gonna start activity intent. That should be all for this. So we're just gonna run the app. And it might take some time to build. Settings. Allow. For the first time, this is what's gonna show you. Install. It's installing already. Open app. Allow. So what you're gonna do is write 07065664160. Oh wait, rather let me just type 071844 112. Follow that number. So when you can see it's already coding. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.